Alright, y'all, so I was thumbing through a old Cast-Iron Baking Cookbook that I got, I don't know, several years ago, and something caught my eye. Let me open this up here. A Corn Chowder Cornbread. Yeah, I was like, do what? So it sounded interesting, so let's give it a whirl. So here's the cast characters. The only modification that I'm making is I don't have any milk. My milk was bad, so I have heavy whipping cream. Alright, so we're going to start out by mixing all the dry ingredients first. So let's scoot this back. So in this jar, I have 2 cups of cornmeal and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Go ahead and put that in. It calls for yellow fine cornmeal, so make sure you got that. Alright, so we have 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/4 cup of sugar, just regular white sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Alright, and it says cayenne is optional, so, and it says like a teaspoon, so I'm just going to put a little bit in. It's not a teaspoon, but it's okay. I just want a little bit in there. Alright, and then we mix. Make your well, because we're going to add in our wet ingredients now. A 1/4 cup of milk. Okay. I was supposed to melt the butter in with the milk, heating up in increments of a minute, but I didn't do that. So we'll pretend that I did, and we'll just pour it over here. Okay. The whole can of corn chowder. And mix. I did forget my eggs. Looks pretty thick. Alright, so I got my skillet preheated to 350 degrees. And it said to melt the butter and push it around, but y'all know I'm a bacon grease guy. So here we go. Alright, now we're going to spoon. That's a pretty thick batter, so we'll see if I did it right. All right, let's go to the cooker. Whew, doesn't that look good? Alright, these have rested for way too long because I'm getting hungry and they smell wonderful. Oh, 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 oh. Doesn't that look good? Let's see how we did. Did all of them coming out? Oh, man. Oh, yeah. See the steam still coming? Oh, man. These might all come out good. All right. Let me get one plated up here and we'll cut into it. So I did cut the back off so it lay flat for my picture. Can you see the bits of chowder? There's a tater. All right, let's flip it around and give it a taste test here. All right, y'all. This was a cool little cook. It's been in my to-do list for a while, and I'm glad I finally did it. Let's give it a try. Cornbready. It's got a little sweetness to it, very like mild sweetness. That turned out a whole lot better than I thought it was going to. The corn chowder just had some body to it.
Hi.
Hi, Pay.
Hi.
Are you ready to be my guinea pig?
What you got?
I have a corn chowder cornbread. I know it sounds weird, but I'm telling you, it smells amazing. Take a big whiff.
Smells like cornbread.
Yep, yep. You see the chunks of taters and stuff in it? Give it a whirl.
It'd be good with chili.
It would.
But I can't eat it alone. It's too dry.
Okay, so it was a really thick batter when I first did it. But overall flavor,
Tastes like cornbread.
a little bit of sweet. You didn't get any sweet? I got just a little bit.
I didn't get any sweet. I like sweet cornbread. Anyways. So this isn't like a big thing for me. But it'd be good in chili. Because it cuts out some of the acidity. But
Pretty neat, huh?
yeah.
Wouldn't expect the chowder in it. Would you know that there's chowder in it if I didn't tell you?
No, but I'm not a big fan of the tater chunks.
Okay.
It's an odd look thing.
Yeah, visually it's kind of odd, but...
Visually looks not well, but not
okay.
bad.
Alrighty. So would you make this again?
No.
No?
I would make sweet cornbread. Just
Okay. Okay. Alrighty. Well, we tried it.
Yep.
Alright.